Hey guys, so this is actually my second time filming this particular video because the last video was bad. Recap. It did make them lighter, not gonna lie. In all realness, I feel like Miss Hannigan right now. Yes. I made the very poor decision of trying to cover my brows without having any glue in the house. Not a good idea. Didn't turn out too well. And I was going back and forth and I was like, you know, do I really want to do this? And then I was like, no, I want to put out something that's good. So I'm refilming with glue. So this is the Purple Disappearing Glue Sticks by Elmer. It goes on purple and once it's dry, it will be clear. So we're going to try to cover our brows today using this method. Before I get started, this is the fourth installment of my History of Makeup series. And today we are going into the roaring 20s. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let's get going. Okay, so first off, we need to get this hair out of our face with our handy dandy clips. All right. Fluff our brows out, make sure they look okay. I'm going to actually kind of try to comb them upwards. Then let's get the glue stick. I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. Okay. Once you go through it once, you comb back through it, and I'm pushing them up because that way they will be the flattest they can be. Now we wait. Okay, so now that I look absolutely insane, they're dry, and we're going to start covering them. So, basically, I'm going to take some loose setting powder and some stick foundation, and we're going to make them go away. And then we're going to take the Makeup Revolution stick foundation in F4 and see if we can hide these babies. Okay, that's as good as I'm going to get this. But let's go ahead and start with our foundation. We're going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Fit Me foundation. And I'm going to Okay, now we're going to be taking the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer to conceal our face. I look so weird. So weird. But at least it looks better than it did. Yeah, growth, you know, showing growth. Showing that you learn from your mistakes. That's where it's at. And then we're going to take the NYX Wonder Stick and use the contour side and contour out our cheeks. Flappers in the 20s, they liked to have small brows, short bobs, and like to look very skinny. So that's what we're going to try to achieve today. It's a very skinny flapper look. I'm going to be using the Morphe X James Charles palette. So it is a beautiful palette. Open. Oh, it's so pretty. So we are going to be dipping into, we're gonna be using Canvas, Spooky, and Benny today. So these 3 shades are the ones we're going to be diving into today. So I'm going to take Canvas and put that all over my lid and up towards where my natural brows are. The big fluffy brush. And then with a small detailer brush, I'm going to go into Benny and carve out where I want my eyes. So I want my eyes to kind of be like an olive shape around. I don't want them to really go out, I want them to go up and around. So I'm just going to map out where I want that to be. It's essentially going from one edge of my eye to the other. Now I look even stranger. So I'm going to take the Morphe 433 brush, dip into Benny again, and try to smoke that out as much as I can. Okay, so now I'm going to take the flat brush, this is from Crown, and I'm going to dip into Spooky and put that on my lid. So now I'm going to take that same fluffy Morphe 433 brush and then blend that into Benny. I promise I have a plan. Promise. All right, so we are going to get that flat tip brush again. We're going to spray it with some Fix Plus. Ooh. Go back into Spooky and really focus the sprayed black on our outer corners of the eye to really make those as dark as we can. All right, so I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo pencil in black and line my bottom and upper lash line. We're going to take that thin brush again, go into Benny, and smoke that out on the bottom. Alright, and now we're going to take the NYX Epic Liner and just line around our lash line. I'm not pulling it out, I'm just lining around. Alright, and now I'm going to take the Stila Liquid Metal and color Kitten, and I'm going to dot that in the center of my lid. And just use my fingers to kind of blend it out a bit. And I'm also going to put that on my bottom lash line. We're going to go back into Stila, dot dot, and smooth that out. Alright, so we're done with the palette. I'm going to put that over. And I'm going to map out where I want my brows to be with the NYX Precision Professional Brow Pencil. With the NYX Precision Brow Pencil, I'm going to just kind of map out where I want my brows to be. So I'm going to start them here, go here, and here. Because once we go in with the NYX Epic Liner, there's no going back. So let's do this thing. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and put some mascara on with the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Alright, and I'm going to be using the Morphe Blush Trio Palette in color Boss to put some colors on my cheeks. Alright, and highlight, I'm going in with the Benefit Pretty in the USA palette, and we're going to be using the Dandelion Twinkle. I'm going to be going into two products for my lips today. I'm going to be using the MAC Russian Red and the Urban Decay Trap Queen Liquid Lip. Alright, so I'm going to go fix myself up and I will be right back. Okay, so that was my version of the Roaring 20s makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm really glad that I actually redid this because it looks so much better than it did when I originally recorded it. And I hope that you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. Please make sure and hit that subscribe button, like this video, go follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and go look at the first 3 videos of the History of Makeup series. Yeah, I will see you guys next week.